Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make soft, delicious gluten-free egg roll using cassava flour. Yes, this is another exciting episode in our series on how to make and use cassava flour at home. Perfect for small-scale business or home snacks. Trust me, once you try this, you may not even miss regular flour again. Cassava flour is such a great alternative. Now let's get started. I begin by measuring 3 cups of cassava flour into a mixing bowl. Next, I pour in 1 cup of hot water and it has to be hot. This helps the flour bind well and gives it that stretchy dough texture we need. If you add cold water, it will ruin the whole process, so please don't skip this step. Mix with a spatula until it forms a dough, then set it aside to cool completely. Once the dough is cool, it is time to add other ingredients. I go in with half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar. The camera missed that part. 2 tablespoons of margarine and a few drops of vanilla essence. Mix everything until well combined. Now it is time to shape our egg roll. I already boiled and peeled some eggs behind the camera. I take a small portion of dough, flatten it on my palm, place 1 egg in the center, and gently wrap the dough around it. Then I roll it between my palms to form a nice smooth ball. Repeat for all the eggs. And just look at how beautiful they look already. Now for the frying. Egg rolls need deep frying. So I pour in enough oil into my pot and let it heat up. I drop in a ball of onions to give the oil a lovely fragrance. Then carefully place the egg roll in the hot oil. I let them fry for about 2 minutes before stirring. Then continue frying until they turn golden brown. Once they are beautifully golden and perfectly fried, take them out. And our gluten-free cassava flour egg roll are ready. They are soft, delicious, and absolutely beautiful. Give this recipe a try today, and you might never want to go back to regular flour. In my next video, I will be making another exciting recipe with our homemade cassava flour, so you definitely don't want to miss it. Kindly like, comment, and share with your loved ones. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. See you in the next one, and God bless.